Next, is the sweet potato. I don't even like sweet potato like that, except for if it's like a pie.
How did I get here? How did I get here? How did I get here? How did I get here?
What's up, Icy Squad? What's the deal? What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Hopefully you guys been liking the content we've been posting. If you do, don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe, even message Flash and let him know some ideas that you guys think we should do. So with that being said, I'm gonna do the eat baby food for 24 hours. Help me. Okay, let's get started. Okay, guys, so we're gonna be eating apple. Oh gosh. What is this? Carrot. We're gonna be eating banana. Oh. Then we're gonna be eating sweet potato. Goodness gracious. Oh. I don't know what's gonna become of this, guys, but let's see which one I want to try first. Let me see. I'm gonna be trying. Let's try apple. Let's try apple, guys. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. My poor stomach. My poor stomach. Let's see. Oh, it even kind of smells disgusting. Oh no, 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 no. This cannot be apple. This cannot be apple. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No, I don't even understand how can babies eat this. Guys, seriously, this is not good. This is not good. I cannot believe this is what babies eat. Like, seriously. No wonder why some babies have a frown on their face. Like, seriously. Guys, no. Never try this. Oh gosh, this is horrible. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna try the carrots. I had next one that I did for today. I had to pick the carrots and just get that out of the way. I had to, because I know this was probably gonna be the worst of the worst. I even had to get toilet paper, okay, because I know I'm gonna probably more than likely spit it out, because I'm sure that this is the most like disgusting one. So I had to get it out the way. So here we go. Guys, this is ridiculous. My stomach is just going through the worst. But I'm doing it for the Flash family. I'm doing it for you guys because we love you guys. And if you haven't subscribe, like, comment, do it. I mean, why not? I mean, you're looking at the video, you're looking at it, so push the button. Okay, let's get started. I had to have the toilet paper ready because I know I'm gonna spit. Oh gosh, it even got on my face. Oh, it even smells disgusting. No, I don't think I can do it. No. I don't think I can do it. This even smells disgusting, guys. Oh gosh. Oh, well. Hell. Oh no. Oh no, dear. Babies out there, tell your parents, say, no, don't give me the carrot. Oh. No. Oh no, tell them no. Tell them no, like throw up a sign language or something. Tell them no, never carrots. This is horrible. Like, how can you give your kids this? Oh gosh, no. Babies, please, frown, cry, do something. Just tell them no, no carrots. Okay guys, next we're gonna have the banana. Let's see. Oh, this better not be disgusting, but I got this just in case. Because come on, who don't like bananas? It's one of the best fruits. Who doesn't like bananas? So let's see. Let's see what y'all mamas giving y'all babies and y'all daddies giving y'all babies. I cannot open this. Where is... Okay, there we go. I thought it just didn't love me. I thought it didn't want me. Oh gosh, no. No. This is horrible. This smell is just horrible. Why? Why? Who can... Oh God. At least it doesn't taste as bad as the carrots. It tastes like bananas. It tastes like bananas. I'm gonna try one more bite. Oh. No, how can you do this? Like, make it taste like real bananas. Let the babies taste what it tastes like to taste a real banana. You'll scar them with this. This is, oh my gosh, I can't even believe this is what I was eating when I was a baby. No. No, dear, no. This is not the way to go. Sis, no. Get the baby something else. This is, no. How can we do this? This is not okay. Oh gosh, my stomach, my poor stomach, guys. Okay, next is the sweet potato. I don't even like sweet potato like that, except for if it's like a pie. But other than that, like, I don't like do sweet potato. And I just could imagine how this tastes. I just could imagine how this tastes, guys. So, oh my gosh. Like, literally, I haven't even opened it and I can just smell like the sweet potato. Oh gosh, this is just not good. Oh no. Oh gosh. No. But I'm doing it for you guys. Oh gosh, this smells horrible. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh, and I have to take another bite. Oh gosh. No. No, guys, what are we giving these poor babies? Tell me. Oh my gosh, this is not good. Like, literally, what are we feeding these babies? What are we doing? What are they making for the babies? This has to be a better way. This has to be a better way, guys, than these things, because they're really disgusting. Like, guys, literally the only one, I will tell you guys, the only one that tasted okay, I want to say the apple. The apple is the only one that had a little bit of flavor. But the other ones, no. No. You guys help me. You guys help me. Oh my gosh. This is the only one. Hi, babe. He always video bombing. What are you doing?
Ah, you know that's my favorite.
Ew, what's
Hold
your...
on.
What is your favorite? Oh my goodness, this is like disgusting. For those of you who didn't know, like I tried like different flavors of the baby food. So, and no, guys, we literally have to feed our kids once again something else. We have to, either the baby rice, the baby cookies, something, because sis, it's not working. It's not working. So if your baby is frowning up when you're feeding her or him baby food, sis, this is why.
That's no wonder why they cry so much.
This is why. And maybe that's why they
eating
cry so much. Maybe this is why, because no sis, no.
Feed the baby, feed the baby. Oh, let me see, what is this?
What the heck?
What is this? Is this new?
What are you doing?
Where's the new ones?
They're all new. Like you're
is
you're
this?
all in my video.
I'm sorry, I
Like video
thought-
bombing.
Is this new?
Yeah.
What is this? Bananas?
But, are you serious? Go ahead, guys.
What?
Flash gonna try it now. Go ahead,
You
show
don't want
them.
to try it, but you know.
Show them. You
No,
want to get
you know
in the
I'm
video.
a date person. I'm looking for the dates. Where's the dates at?
You want to get in the video,
Is
guys?
there a date?
Make him try it.
Okay.
Tell him to try some stuff. So comment below and tell Flash what he should eat.
They don't put the dates to baby food. Where's it at? Can you help me, please?
Let me see. What's the date?
You guys, it's very important that you check dates.
Oh yeah, I did check the date. It was like
This don't have
2020.
nothing on it, look.
No, it did. I just don't remember exactly where. But it had the date. Yeah. Yeah, I saw it was like 20. It was like
What do these come in a box or they come separate like this?
yeah, they come like this, but I am looking for the date now. But I know it was like 2020.
She's a very good vlogger, by the way, you guys. How is it not gonna have a date on there? What are they doing to kids?
I know it was 2020. No, go ahead, try it. Guys, he's always photobombing my stuff, so make him try it. So go ahead, try it. Try it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh. How can you eat that stuff? No, stop.
Here, try one more.
No. Hey guys, guys, I'm sorry, Flash family. My camera died, so I'm using my phone. But I came back to say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't hesitate to send any ideas to Flash of what you guys think we should do. Any ideas that you guys have, any foods that you guys want us to try. Don't hesitate. And once again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And you're already here, so you're already a part of our family. So just hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. You're here. You're here, right? Let's get it.
I am the greatest.
For having the character to throw with him and
Cookie soul, babe.